Good morning, student. Today we are going to draw the auxiliary view of second class. So here you can see the object, solid object, and this can be drawn the front view, top view, and side views on the planes, on the vertical plane, horizontal plane, and this one is the profile plane. So if you consider front view in this direction, the front view is represented in the vertical plane. So this is the vertical plane. So you can see the shape of this given object in this bottom straight line and vertical height, and to the horizontal line, then vertical height, and from this point to this point it is joined straightly, and this edge is drawn here. So here the dimensions are not given, but in the main diagram I will give the dimension, and this is the front view diagram of this given, and similarly top view of this one. So when you are seeing from this direction, you can see the two rectangles. So this rectangle over here and one more rectangle here. So two rectangles. This edge is drawn here, and this one is here, and vertical length, and this part is over here, it is drawn. So in the top view you will get the shape like this. And similarly, when you are seeing from this direction, you will see the total height of the one with the rectangle total height. This edge is here, and this edge is drawn here, and this line is drawn over here. And to represent this line, this is that side, so just representing with the dash line. So this is the top view, front view, and side views. And here inclined surface, you cannot see the true shape in any of the three views. In the front view you cannot get the true surface length, and in the top view also this is reduced, this is not the true surface of inclined one, and here also this is not the. So in order to get that one, we are redrawing in the plane, xy plane. So consider the xy plane over here, and above to that one vertical plane, that is front view, and below to this is horizontal plane and top view. You can use the top view diagram or side view diagram, but finally you will get the same true length also. You can utilize any of these two, no problem. So, but here I am considering only top view. So total length of this section is given 75, that is 25 up to here, 25 and 25, and here vertical height is 10, and from here to here 25 is given, and here to here total height is given 50. So from this point it is joined to the end point, and here over the edge line is drawn here. So this is the simply front view of that given object. Next, coming to the top view. So this top view is drawn exactly below to this diagram only. So the top view can be represented in the straight line. So it is in the isometric view, but here you are considering rotating the planes and drawing. So just this is the shape of the top view with the so in this diagram you can see width is given 40 mm, and this you can take this value is 10 mm, and in these two diagrams under the inclined surface, this is we need to redraw to get the true size. And this one is horizontal, so no need to draw this one because it will get here true length only, but then you cannot see the true length of inclined surface of this one. So under this line only you have to project, or you have to redraw that diagram. So give the numbering for this diagram. So actually I started from this, but it is not required, so just to consider the points from this point only. So this is the point 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Only this is enough for us. And from this xy axis line, take the reference point of 1, this point 1, 2 and 3 reference points, and draw the auxiliary axis line parallel to the inclined surface. X1, Y1 is the auxiliary axis line, and what are the values that is measuring from this axis line should be transferred onto this diagram, and from those points just draw the vertical lines, that is perpendicular lines perpendicular to the inclined surface. You have to draw first those perpendicular lines, then after transfer. So after that just measure the point 3 and 10, that is from this reference point take the 10 length as well as 3 length, and transfer this from this point only, from the axis line only you consider 10 mm length and 3 mm length at length up to 0.3. And next from this reference point take the 9 point, 8, point, 5 and 4. 4 points are there existing on that single line. Just measure all lengths and transfer from this point only. From here to 9, from here to 8, 5 and 4 up to 4. And then after take the third reference point and measure the length 7 and 6. Similarly from this reference point mark those points. After that join 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 3 like this. So 3 is here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up to 3. So in this way you will get the true size. So this is the true size of the inclined surface. That is possible when we see from the perpendicular direction to this inclined plane only. That is why these lines are drawn perpendicular to this inclined surface. So finally this is the auxiliary view of this given object. So he may give the isometric view of the object, then you have to convert into front view, top view and then redraw the auxiliary view. If he gives these two values two diagrams directly, it is very easy, but when he gives this one you have to convert into orthographic views, and from this orthographic views we have to go for this final diagram, that is auxiliary view. So thank you.